Hi, in this video we will talk about loops and iterations. There are three ways to do that in jsligo. The for loop, the for of over a correction, and the while with a termination condition. Let's see an example for the for loop. So this is the same syntax as JavaScript. Now let's see the same for over a correction. So the syntax is easier to understand, but you need to have a correction. And the last loop is using the while, and you need a termination condition. Okay, remember to loop over mixed lesson types. We have the dedicated function for each mixed lesson type. Thank you for watching and see you next time.